Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip west on US Highway 72, concurrent here with US 64 and Tennessee State Route 2, as we enter the town of Kimball at mile marker 7. Kimball was established in 1890 by Hannibal Kimball, who aimed to create a model industrial city with the backing of the British Anglo-American Company Limited. The city's location was carefully selected to resemble the layout of Colorado Springs, featuring a picturesque setting backed by mountains and stretching 3 miles along the Tennessee River, with convenient rail connections on the Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Railway. Currently, Kimball is also known for hosting a satellite campus of Chattanooga State Community College. According to the 2020 census, the population of Kimball stands at 1,545. In Kimball, US 72 is locally named Main Street. At this point, State Route 2 diverges from our shared route, veering right onto Battle Creek Road. We once again intersect with I-24, and at the same point, US 64 merges with I-24 West, concluding its concurrency with US 72. Here, our route's local name becomes North Cedar Avenue. we enter the city of South Pittsburg with a population of 3,106 as of the 2020 census. South Pittsburg was initially a rural area focused on agriculture until the late 1860s when the Nashville and Chattanooga Railroad built a branch line into the Sequatchie Valley. During this time, small-scale mining operations started to take shape. In 1869, a post office was established and the community was named Battle Creek Mines. In the mid-1870s, British investors founded the Southern States Coal, Iron, and Land Company with hopes of creating a significant industrial presence in the Sequatchie Valley. On May 23, 1876, the Battle Creek Mines post office was renamed South Pittsburg in anticipation of becoming a major iron manufacturing center similar to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. However, various factors led to the failure of the original land company, stalling further development. In 1886, Nashville banker William Duncan purchased the town site of South Pittsburg and organized the South Pittsburg City Company in December of the same year. The town was officially incorporated in 1887, with John G. Kelly becoming its first mayor. In 1906, the Dixie-Portland Cement Company, later known as Penn-Dixie, established a cement production center south of South Pittsburg. Richard Hardy, a New York insurance executive, was brought in to oversee the development of a company town called Richard City in his honor. Hardy, after becoming the company's president in 1914, initiated a major expansion project in Richard City. The town's infrastructure, including houses, churches, businesses, and utility poles, were constructed using the company's cement. Penn-Dixie operated until 1980, at which point the plant was acquired by Vulcan Materials. In 1985, Richard City was annexed by South Pittsburg. Today, South Pittsburg is renowned for hosting the National Cornbread Festival, a celebration centered around cornbread and cornbread-related activities. We conclude today's video at the Alabama state line. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.